Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chevy Malibu faster. Achieving noticeable speed improvements involves a multifaceted approach, not just one simple change. We'll explore key areas like engine performance, handling, and reducing vehicle weight. This comprehensive strategy ensures a balanced and effective upgrade, transforming your Malibu's overall driving dynamics. Get ready to unlock its true potential on the road. Boosting your Malibu's engine performance is crucial. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, while an upgraded exhaust system improves gas flow and adds a sportier sound. An engine tune, or ECU reflash, can optimize fuel delivery and ignition timing, unlocking hidden power. For models with a turbocharger, upgrading to a larger unit can provide a substantial increase in horsepower and torque. Speed isn't just about straight-line acceleration. Handling is equally vital. Performance tires offer superior grip, allowing for faster cornering. Upgrading to stiffer springs and shocks will significantly reduce body roll, making your Malibu feel more planted. A larger rear sway bar can further sharpen steering, and improved braking components ensure you can confidently control your increased speed. Reducing your Malibu's weight is a cost-effective way to improve performance. Every pound removed contributes to better acceleration and handling. Start by clearing out any unnecessary items from the trunk and interior. Lighter aftermarket wheels can also make a noticeable difference. For more serious gains, consider lightweight seats. Regular maintenance also ensures your engine operates at peak efficiency, maximizing every horsepower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.